you know about JINPAT SlipRings? In packaging machine production, have you encountered machine malfunctions, space constraints, electromagnetic interference, what signal attenuation after tens of millions of rotations? This is JINPAT Industrial Grade Solution, 250 mm through-hole SlipRing. Featuring a big through bore, it offers effortless compatibility with hydraulic shafts. Supports the hybrid transmission of 6 channels of V5A high power current and signals. Features IP50 for protection and vertical mounting. Ultra long lifespan of 50 million rotations and precision sliding brushes. Through 3D anatomy, we can clearly visualize the internal structure of the SlipRing, as well as the transmission of electrical currents. This is a live video, clearly and intuitively showcasing the products. Features: please examine its sleek, smooth metal casing closely. This meticulously crafted metal material further emphasizes its robust and durable quality. Moreover, its extra large pre-hole facilitates the transmission of current and data. Featuring a vertical mounting structure and an IP5 for protection rating, it delivers an ultra-long service life of 50 million rotations. JINPAT is dedicated to providing global rotary transmission solutions. We invite you to leave a comment below or contact us to obtain a detailed product selection guide.